Hello everyone, Miss Nixon back again with yet another lock video. Today I'm showing you how I reattach locks that have been cut off. So if you want to see how I go from this to this, just keep watching. These are the locks that I will be reattaching. They all came from my head at different stages, and some of them were combined with other locks, so we are going to reattach them now, so stay tuned. Today I'm going to be using scissors, my crochet hook, it's teeny tiny, got it from Amazon, my interlocking tool that I made, a rat tail comb that I did not make. Sharp needles really help to loosen up the end of the thread and make reattachment a lot easier. And my spray bottle. Ready? Let's do this. So I have the lock that I will be reattaching, and as you can see the end is picked out a little bit, and I use my needles to do that. So I'm going to place it on top of my hair, and I want it to overlap about 1 inch on each side so that I can make sure that when I do start crocheting that it's nice and secure at the top and at the bottom. Okay, now I've got my little crochet hook, and the way that I like to do it is I like to grab the middle of the lock and then push the hook directly through the center and then pull it towards me. Then I take the hook and bring it to one side and pull it towards me, and then to the other side and pull it towards me, all while rotating the lock in between my fingers. And that just makes sure that I get around the entire lock every time that I pull the crochet hook through. See, now it's pretty locked in. So I'm just going to continue doing that. I'm going to repeat that process through the center of the lock and then on both sides until it's nice and secure. Okay, and this is what we have so far. And now I'm taking my lock and I'm going to start interlocking it. I do it by hand at first, and then the closer I get to the root, I use my tool. I'm doing the 4-point rotation. You guys, I'm sure there are countless videos on YouTube that show us how to do the 4-point rotation, so I won't be giving you a step-by-step on that, but I am just letting you know that I start by interlocking with my finger, and then when I get close to my root to where I really can't get my finger through, then I switch to my tool. Okay, now that we're all done and it's to the root, let's check out the reattached lock. Okay, you see those fuzzy pieces? We don't like that very much. So I'm going to take my crochet hook and smooth that baby out. Okay, so this is what we have so far. It's looking really good. I'm just going to continue smoothing that baby out. And I wish you could see it, but I'm going a little bit extra and I'm going down the full shaft of hair just to get rid of all those fuzzies so you can see it right. Okay, and this is the finished result. So now we have a nice, seamless, and braidless lock reattachment. I went ahead and finished out the rest of this row so that you guys can see that all of these were reattached to my head from locks that I had cut off. Now I'm about to finish the rest of my head. Okay guys, that does it. Just a fun fact, most of these locks were reattachments on the right side, but I'm so happy I'm done. It looks amazing. I'm just very happy with it. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching my videos and sharing in this with me. Bye.